Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another Diecast car review, and today we have the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Humvee. So yeah, today we are going to review this Humvee number 4 out of 5 from Hot Wheels Crash Legends. So yeah, let's move on to the back. So there's the information: Humvee, SUV, huge and hostile, and all-terrain destroyer. Pretty nice. There's the back. If you want to see it, you can pause it if you want. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So I believe this Humvee is based off of the mainline version, which some of you may know about the Humvee that originally released in mainline. You might remember it. I believe they used the same body of the car, but just recycled into the monster truck version because it kind of looked like it, like the overall shape and all looks like it. But yeah, the body is fully metal, so it's yeah, quite metal-y, as I would say. But overall, it is in this sort of like army style of camouflage. It's a mixture of it's a mixture of tan color, brown, as well as like sort of that dark grayish black, which yeah, it looks pretty nice. It kind of suits the camo over there. But yeah, let's go ahead and check the car out. The monster truck, of course. Starting from the side, you have this tan colored rims, which honestly looks pretty nice. It says Hot Wheels right there, and then here's the side right here. It says HWMT, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, and this is Monster Trucks right there, and you have a Hot Wheels logo at the bottom right there near the driver's door, I guess. And then you have this massive I don't remember what this is called. It's sort of like this grill or front bumper, if I'm not mistaken. And you have the headlights right there, as well as the front grill right there. Yeah, you have mostly the camo design for the hood and the roof and whatnot. Overall, it seems okay. And then it says HWMT at the back right here in white. That's pretty cool. Here's the other side. Moving on to the back, yeah, you don't really have rear lights, I guess, but yeah, you have this rear bumper, which is kind of cool as well. And yeah, I'll show you the crushable car in a bit. Let's leave it on the turntable for a while. Oh my god, sorry. There you go. So yeah, you basically get a different crushable car, which I do not particularly remember what casting this is based on, but I do remember the shape of the car, but I don't remember the name itself. Which yeah, it is in that bright green, which is yeah, the crushable cars like to pick like the Mattel likes to pick the vibrant colors for the crushable cars for some reason, like colorful and vibrant, which is kind of okay, but still it could be better if it's like, I don't know, maybe detailed, maybe add some rust or maybe some wrecked metal, I guess, I don't know, sort of kind of like that maybe. But yeah, overall seems like a great monster truck to have. Not really suggesting you to get this one. But overall, maybe if you're like, I don't know, fan of the army, like camouflage style cars, maybe you can get your hands on this. But if not, well, there's no reason of you buying this instead of maybe like you have interest in it, or maybe like you're kind of a fan of it. But overall, it seems pretty nice as well. So yeah, once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.